both sides are trapped.
Yes, that was us on live stream today, trapped in between two trees. So we were trying to get around the storm to get a better view. And then we got hit by a 65-mile-per-hour wind gust, which blew a tree in front of us and behind us. Here's how it played out. Holy crap. Chat, we're currently in between two trees stuck on this road before this storm comes. We're gonna try and get out though. He's trying to pull it out with the truck right now. Holy crap. Come on. Yup. It's moving. It's going. Come on. Yes. Yes. We're in Alabama. I knew that visibility was bad.